What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, Project PSA 101 is finally completed. Totally completed. Gun is painted. We have signed the gun right there, indicating that it has been rebuilt properly riveted, and it's, yeah, and now it is completely finished. What do you guys think? Do you guys dig this colorway? I think this looks awesome. So these colors are AUG green, so AUG green, and Accuracy International Dark Earth. In case you guys don't know, this is in 5.56. So I did, if you're not familiar with the channel, this is the first time you're seeing this video, there's a whole backstory with this gun. I will put two videos. I did two full-length videos, one where I tear it apart and we go over a kind of a autopsy, why did I say it like that? Kind of an autopsy on this gun. We completely tear it apart, we check the riveting and all that kind of jazz, and then we get all the parts in and we rebuild the sucker. We go out and test fire it in the second video, and then of course came back in, tore it down, and then refinished it, and now it is done. It's completely ready to go and done, man. And what do you guys think? I think it looks sick, man. I think it looks sick. But one thing I do, my puppy's playing in the trash. We got a new puppy. Hey, come here. Come here. Don't play in the trash. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, she don't want to. But what do you guys think? Do you dig this colorway? I think it's ridiculous. Oh, here she is. You guys want to see a puppy? You guys like puppies? So this is Riley. She is a toy poodle. Our last toy poodle died about a year ago, so the Amish folks were selling them out from Walmart, so we got a puppy. What do you guys think? You think it looks cool? So one thing I do when I finish, I try to finish multiple guns. That way I can get the most out of after setting up everything to finish it. I don't want to just do one gun and have to tear everything apart. So we did that one, and then this one was waiting on a dust cover painting and some touch-up spots where I had scratched it from using it. So we just went ahead and retouched up this whole gun, and this is like an AMD 63/5 kind of kit build thing. We went with the green accents and stuff like that. So there it is, folding wire stock and all that kind of jazz. Now these guns never had a provision for an optic. They never had a side rail, and they had this short gas tube without a handguard on top. So we went ahead and did the Ultimac so that we could put a dot on it, stuff like that. So what do you guys think? Which one do you guys think is cooler? Do you dig the 5.56, the not PSA 74 pattern gun in 5.56, or the AMD 65/63 kind of in 7.62x39? Oh yeah, the Moon Man mags too. So these are the 20 rounder. It's got the little man on the moon, whereas it's on the rib back here for these, which is very cool. So there it is, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which one are you digging? You digging the Hungarian AMD 65 or 65/3 project gun, or the not PSA 101? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.